Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Mobile, you must stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
Ayo, Lionfoot TV station. Them have to know what going. We fix up the whole nation and the whole works. Kaboom, calm down. Ayo, cross tell them blood clot. Yabba you, this is not bounty killer. Big up killer. Yabba you, the black like a glock. Them have to know what going. Kaboom, calm down. Me have the needle and check me so the girl will have me all purpose. Me angle them vicious. Dash. Bang.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Anyone there, I will leave a love and blessings, you know. Yes, man, if you're new to the platform, please consider to like the channel. As I say, subscribe, become a member, become a fan, and make sure you click the bell so you don't miss the content when I post one. Zine, yeah man, so in this topic I don't know, I want to give some credit and to Isat Buchanan and Jaii Fraii for a good interview. And also Tulox, the twins of twins, will come out. We did a bash Jaii Fraii, then him switch the narrative and defend him still. But I know Lionfoot always say each to their own, And me always say equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength, inclusion. And thank you all for your continuous support. You see it.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Tuesday, boom, I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Good Friday, man. Happy Good Friday. So I say Easter Friday, Easter weekend. Big up to the people that can afford the fish and bun, Yeah, the cheese and... You see what I say? Big up the people who can just about find it. I don't know. Life are the greatest gifts, so cherish every moment and be grateful for the little that you have. Is it, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man.
That's one thing I admire and notice. Who not there ready, I listen to and love. They are real down and dance to rubber dub.
The song I want to say, I chip in and out. Welcome to Kingston is the title of my EP. Yes, I say 6 reggae songs. I will leave the link pinned in the comment section when you can click on it and listen to the 6 songs them, and feel free to give me your opinion. Lionfoot is always open to criticism and open to take advice, and same as how I speak my opinion on matters, I am willing to listen. As I say, so big up the lovers and the haters them same way. But yeah, but I'll leave the link in the comment section where you can go check out the full song, 6 songs them saying. Yes, I know. To all my fans, I will be in Belize soon. And I do a local promotion on the EP. So big up the center stage band. Yes, I say more information coming on that soon still. Yes, it. Yeah, man, so Isat Buchanan went on Jaii Fraii. Jaii Fraii are doing podcasts and it excel, it do well, it do good, and he came under every criticism for the speech that he made in an interview with Toxic Talk. I think with one of the porn star them, and every backlash and criticism, and I don't know. Lionfoot say each to their own, and if a man want do them thing, you see me? Me can't tell a man not to do them thing. I'll when it not right in the sight of Father God, and them people still want to do it for them judgment. You see me? I say so. You don't come under every backlash, you know what I mean? And me personally wouldn't want to experience that feeling, you see me? Yes, I'm gonna feel like back to play with, is it? Yeah, but you don't know the world, the world. You see me, as people have them different type of fetish and them freakish behavior, woman and man. You see me? So Jaii Fraii came on at every bashing and scrutiny. You know what I mean? And you see twins of twins also did a bash him too, but him interview him, then he did a next video. I say, him take it down, and then a Jaii Fraii strike him to take it down. It's just because him say Jaii Fraii have family and mothers and father, sister, brother. But he might try to justify the thing still, but twins, you might get Tulox, I get every bashing as well, because them I say double standard, because him bash Shensia because Shensia says she would take it in the bomb. And Jaii Fraii said the girl a play with him bum, so how comes nobody defend Jaii Fraii and my bunch and this and that. You see me, so as Mr. East to their own still, you see me and say, and why? We don't know why Tulox switch still, you see, but we don't know. But anyway, it look like the Tulox have put out for a thing and go on, but we don't know, you know. You see, we don't know. Lion foot. I leave people to their own judgment, yeah, man. That's how me see it, you see me? East to their own, and he hears me and say that. You see it? Yes. So we see, Isat went on Jaii Fraii podcast now. Did I? Exceptional interview, nice interview. Big up Jaii Fraii. You see me and say, yeah man, I think he asked, the reasoning was good, you know, some nice question asked, and you know, Isat was being very precautious in answering the questions them. You know, he seems a bit jovial, jokifying at times. At one point, he took a jab at Sir P, but you know, him say Sir P not credible. You know, he said Sir P is a liar. What police done liar, ex-liar, whatever. So himself first said, no, we hear it on Jaii Fraii. So that's you know, Isat, that's what Isat said.
But wouldn't that be something like evidence tampering?
With Sir
If
P?
a police / said him turn lawyer is Sir P and has information.
I don't know if he's a police / whatever. I don't know who is
You
Sir
heard
P.
it first. I said it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's what you're saying. I don't know that.
At the end of the Sir P conversation, he said Jamaica needs Sir P, and that was very nice. Good to hear still, you know?
They will cut you, edit you, try to bring you down because you were doing it. I'm not bringing down Sir P. Jamaica needs Sir P.
Because I think Sir P is doing a great job. You know what I mean? Like the wise of On The Spot News Media in highlighting the corruption and the badness and them thing there. And you know, the man of peace attack or beg the youth them to stop the crime, you see it. So when the truth is there, you cannot hide it. I think Sir P On The Spot News Media, them do a great job. And the other like-minded vloggers, them who really touch on the crime matters in exposing the crimes and the culprits, them, you see me? Yeah, but Isat, you know, he speak highly of respectable of Vibes Cartel, and the case, he wasn't disrespectful to Paula Llewellyn, you know, and the justice system. That's why I think him answered in a professional way, you know, and don't be disrespectful, because at the end of the day, they're still waiting on a decision from the state, justice system, if they're going to do a retrial or not. At one point, Jaii Fraii asked him about the retrial. Him said he don't want to talk about it because there's not going to be no retrial. Him just speak things into existence. So he don't really want to entertain the argument. But overall, I think it was a nice reasoning, you know. I watch it out to the end, and you know what I mean. I reading at the comment section them, because I love reading the comment section them, you know. You see me? But yeah, man, it was a nice interview. If you don't watch it yet, you can go over Jaii Fraii and watch it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So Isat, you know, he admitted to his crime. Him do 10 years behind bars for twice for drug trafficking. You know, he never deny it, and in rehabilitation. And that's one of the main things why I say I did a vlog here, because you know, about rehabilitation. You see me? And Isat wanting to help others. He said there was a man there inside a jail 50 years, and he helped him and him come out after, you know, after him assist to him and take up him case. The man end up come out of jail. You see me? Yeah, so as a young lawyer still, you don't know everybody deserve a second chance. Him did in prison and him have him record. That no mean say him cannot become a lawyer or a doctor. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, rehabilitation, and I hope the other youths them in Jamaica and out the diaspora can use Isat as an example and an inspiration. If you say when you're locked up behind bars, don't just stay behind bars and carry out actions and make call and them thing about badness and wrongdoings and taking lives. You can also rehabilitate yourself, you see me, and become a person like what Isat Buchanan did. You see, so big up Jaii Fraii, big up Isat, you know, big up Tulox same way. You see me, I say. I big up my fans on the platform. Yeah man, a blessed love and have a good Easter weekend. See? I'm the man of peace, man. Big up on yourself. Holy I Selassie.
Welcome to Kingston, Kingston. Welcome to Kingston. Yeah. If I watch you on the grill, you a stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Listen to me.